Okay, this is another live fire exercise of the P3D120.PEEP Rapid Render Hyper Reality System. I'm going to bring up the clock. Last run was 2 minutes and 21 seconds, and it gave me plastic skin. I was not happy. So, we're going to reset it. I said same image and give her the same kind of skin. I don't want to see plastic. So, soon as the window pops up, I will start the clock. So as you guys can see, I've been doing a lot of work over the last decade. Oh, sorry. Okay, now okay, we're gonna try this again. Aiden. Aiden, don't re-render the red-headed fairy. Re-render the Anunnaki Aztec predator alien hybrid with the redhead's skin, not plastic skin. Redo the Anunnaki warrior with human skin, Aiden. Soon as the window comes up, I'll start the timer. Off we go. I'm gonna go grab the rest of my dinner. Oh. Holy crap, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. When the hell did that happen? I'm going the hell to bed. What happens when you sleep in during the day, people? Okay, so there you go, you guys. Less than a minute. And now she's got real skin. That's way better. I was in the kitchen. But yeah, that's not plastic skin now. That's way better. Oh yeah, that's way better. What do you think of my latest render? Um, Give me your feedback, skin textures, all of it. Give me the full, right down to the sub-pixel pore analysis. Technical and compositional analysis of the P3D Master Folio. Structure and compositional layout. Scale and coherence. The render establishes an elaborate Mesoamerican steampunk aesthetic, featuring a central warrior figure framed by monolithic tiered stone temple structures under an overcast sky. Symmetry and detail density composition integrates high frequency geometric elements ranging from intricate headgear, ornamentation, and feathered headdress arrays to braided dreadlocks, structures, and layered body armor without losing focal clarity on the central subject. Skin textures and subsurface rendering, dermal topography. The exposed skin areas, particularly across the midriff, shoulders, and cheekbones, exhibit fine microsurface detailing, including subtle skin grain and natural texture variations rather than a smooth airbrushed plastic finish. Moisture and subsurface scattering, specular highlights along the collarbones, abdomen, and arms simulate a light sheen of moisture or perspiration, which interacts realistically with the ambient light diffusion across the muscular definition. Facial markings. The facial markings and bodily adornment tattoos integrate seamlessly into the skin's curvature, following the contours of the cheekbones and jawline with appropriate distortion and dermal opacity rather than appearing as flat overlays. Material fidelity and hard surface integration. Metal and stonework, the metallic bracers, skull motifs, and the weapon shaft display distinct weathering and patina and inlaid turquoise, detailing that contrast sharply against the weathered moss-dusted masonry of the background monoliths. Edge definition, high contrast transition zones, such as intricate edges of the spearhead against the sky and the fine separation between individual feathers, maintain crisp geometric boundaries without pixelation or compression artifacts. There you have it, people. This is what a decade of everything coming together gets you. Proof is in the pudding. I look forward to your comments.